51. And Allah has said, do not take two gods. There is only one God. So be in awe of me alone. 52. To him belongs whatever is in the heavens and the earth, and to him alone is the everlasting devotion. Will you then fear any other than Allah? 53. Whatever blessings you have are from Allah. Then whatever hardship touches you, to him alone you cry for help. 54. Then as soon as he removes the hardship from you, a group of you associates others with their Lord in worship. 55. Only returning our favors in ingratitude. So enjoy yourselves, for you will soon know. 56. And they even assign to those idols who know nothing a share of what we have provided for them by Allah. You will certainly be questioned about whatever lies you used to fabricate against Allah. 57. And they attribute angels as daughters of Allah, glory be to Him, the opposite of what they desire for themselves. 58. Whenever one of them is given the good news of a baby girl, his face grows gloomy as he suppresses his rage. 59. He hides himself from the people because of bad news he had received. So he keeps her in disgrace or bury her alive in the ground. Indeed, evil indeed is their judgment. 60. To those who disbelieve in the hereafter belong all evil qualities, whereas to Allah belong the finest attributes, and He is Almighty, All-Wise. 61. If Allah were to punish people immediately for their wrongdoing, He would not left a single living being on earth, but He delays them for an appointed term. And when their time arrives, they cannot delay it for a moment, nor could they advance it. 62. They attribute to Allah what they hate for themselves, and their tongues utter the lie that they will have the finest reward. Without a doubt, for them is the fire where they will be abandoned. 63. By Allah, we have surely sent messengers to communities before you, O Prophet. But Satan made their misdeeds appealing to them. So, he is the patron today, and they will suffer a painful punishment. 64. We have revealed to you the book only to clarify for them what they differed about, and as a guide and mercy for those who believe. And Allah sends down rain from sky, giving life to earth after his death. Surely in this a sign for those who listen. 66. And there is certainly a lesson for you in cattle. We give you to drink of what is in their bellies, from between digested food and blood, pure milk pleasant to drink. 67. And from the fruits of palm trees and grapevines you derive intoxicants as well as wholesome provision. Surely, in this is a sign for those who understand. 68. And your Lord inspired the bees. Make your homes in the mountains and the trees in what people construct. 69. And feed from flowers of any fruit you please and follow the ways of your Lord has made easy for you. From their bellies come forth liquid of varying colors, in which there is healing for people. Surely, in this is a sign for those who reflect. 70. Allah has created you and then causes you to die, and some of you are left to reach the most feeble stage of life, so that they may know nothing after having known much. Indeed, Allah is all-knowing, most capable. 71. And Allah has favored some of you over others in provision, but those who have been much favored would not share their wealth with those bondspeople in their possession, making them their equals. Do they then deny Allah's favors? 72. And Allah has made for you spouses of your own kind, and given you through your spouses children and grandchildren. And He has granted you good lawful provisions. Are they then faithful to falsehood and ungrateful to Allah's favors? 73. Yet they worship besides Allah those idols who do not afford them any provision from heavens and the earth, nor do they have the power to. 74. So do not set up equals to Allah, for Allah certainly knows and you do not know. 75. Allah set forth a parable of a slave who kicks all means compared to a free man to whom we granted a good provision, of which he donates freely and openly and secretly. Are they equal? Praise be to Allah. In fact, most of them do not know.